Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to take a deep breath and let these words settle in your spirit. For I consider that the sufferings of this present time are not worthy to be compared with the glory which shall be revealed in us. Romans chapter 8, verse 18 reminds us of something powerful, something life-altering. It tells us that whatever you are facing right now, whatever pain, trial, or setback has tried to break you, it cannot compare to the greatness, the strength, the purpose, and the victory that God has already placed ahead of you. Some of you are carrying weights no one else sees. You're smiling on the outside, but internally you're exhausted. Emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually. You may feel like your prayers have been delayed, your dreams have stalled, or your hope is fading. You may be wondering, why am I going through this? Why hasn't my situation turned around yet? When does my breakthrough come? And God answers with this one promise: the glory ahead of you is greater than the pain behind you. You see, suffering is not a sign that God forgot you. Struggle is not proof that you're losing. Hard seasons are not evidence that you're being punished. In fact, according to Romans chapter 8, verse 18, your suffering is a setup for transformation, growth, resilience, and elevation. It is often in the moments when we feel the weakest that God is preparing the strongest version of us. Think about it. Gold is refined by fire. Diamonds are formed under pressure. Seeds break open underground before they ever rise. And so do you. This season you're in, this season that feels uncomfortable, uncertain, and unfamiliar, is shaping you into something stronger, wiser, and more grounded. You are not being destroyed, you are being developed. Romans chapter 8, verse 18 doesn't dismiss your pain. It doesn't say your suffering isn't real. What it says is this: your suffering is temporary, but your glory is eternal. Your hardship has an expiration date, but your God-given purpose does not. What you're experiencing today is not the final chapter of your story. It's not even close. Your story is still being written, and God has already prepared a victorious ending. But here's the key. You must not give up in the middle of your chapter. Every champion has had moments where quitting seemed easier. Every overcomer has walked through seasons where the path was dark. Every testimony comes from someone who made the choice to push through the trial instead of stopping in it. And the same strength that carried them through is available to you right now. You may feel tired, but you are not done. You may feel shaken, but you are not defeated. You may feel discouraged, but you are not disqualified. There is a glory, something divine, something powerful, something purposeful, that will be revealed in you. And that glory will make everything you've endured worthwhile. So what do you do in the meantime? You keep moving, you keep praying, you keep believing, you keep showing up even when it's hard. You keep trusting God even when you don't have all the answers. You keep speaking life over your situation even when everything around you looks lifeless. Because your faith isn't shaped on the mountain, it's shaped in the valley. Your strength doesn't grow in the sunshine, it grows in the storm. Your glory is not revealed when everything is perfect. It's revealed when you rise above what tried to break you. I want you to remember today that pain is temporary, but purpose is permanent. Delay is not denial. And closed doors don't mean God said no. Sometimes they mean He's protecting you from something too small for your calling. You are destined for more than where you are right now. You are being positioned for something greater. Your future version, the healed you, the restored you, the confident you, the joyful you, the successful you, is already waiting on the other side of this season. Romans 8:18 is your reminder that you are not walking blindly. You are walking toward glory. So lift your head, straighten your shoulders, walk with purpose, push forward with faith, because God is not finished with you yet. The pain you feel right now is producing strength. The tears you've cried are watering your next harvest. The trial that scared you is training you. And the glory that will be revealed in you, it's going to be greater than anything you ever imagined. Keep going. Your glory is coming. Your breakthrough is coming. Your story is far from over, and your future is brighter than your suffering could ever dim.